So we discussed about pointers, advantages of pointers and disadvantages of pointers. Okay. So what are the disadvantages of pointers here? Pointers requires extra memory. Next, writing program. Okay, writing program by using pointers. Writing or implementing programs by using pointers is very risky for the programmer. Okay, so these are the disadvantages. So clear? So that's why in Java there is no pointers. Okay, clear? Pointers requires extra memory, and writing programs by using pointers is very risk for the programmer. Okay, so clear? Pointer, advantage of pointers and disadvantage of pointers. Right, next, declaring a pointer, variable. Right, how to declare a pointer variable? Okay, declaring a pointer variable. How to declare a pointer variable? So pointer is a variable that holds address of variable of similar data type. Okay, so now how to declare a pointer variable? So declaring a pointer variable. So here, how to declare a normal variable, ordinary variable? Syntax. So to declare a variable, okay, declaration of variable. Okay, to declare a variable, here we have to use this particular syntax. Okay, by following this syntax, okay, by using this syntax, we can declare variable. Syntax will be like this. First we have to write data type, variable name, data type. So here we have to write data type first, then we have to specify the variable name, and declaration statement should be end with the semicolon. Here enter x. Okay, so x is variable, x is the variable, int is the data type. Here x variable is declared as int data type. Okay, that means x variable can hold only integers. Right, next, here I am assigning 10 to x variable. Okay, so clear? So this is declaration statement. Next, assignment statement. Okay, so instead of writing these two statements separately, so we can write like this also: int x is equals to 10. Okay, so when we declare x variable like this, C compiler allocates 2 bytes memory for x variable. So the internal memory representation will be like this. Okay, here I am writing x. One minute. Right, x 10, suppose 3000. Okay, so here what is x? So the internal memory allocation, the internal representation will be like this. Okay, so here what is x? X is a variable. X is a variable. 10 value 3000 address. This is the address of X. Okay. So address of X. So clear? X is a variable. 10 value which is stored in X variable. 3000 is the address of X variable. Address. So this is address operator. Address operator. So address of X is 3000. So clear? Now we will see declaring a pointer variable. Declaring a pointer variable. So a pointer variable can be declared. Here we should remember one pointer. A pointer variable. A pointer variable can be declared by using pointer operator. Okay, here X is not a pointer variable. X is not a pointer variable. Okay. So here a pointer variable can be declared by using pointer operator. So pointer operator means star or asterisk. Okay, a pointer variable can be declared by using pointer pointer operator. Okay, nothing but star or asterisk. Okay, right. Syntax. Syntax. Data type. Data type. Okay. Pointer operator. Okay. Then variable name. Okay. So this is the syntax for declaring a pointer variable. So here we should remember only one pointer. A pointer variable can be declared by using pointer operator, that is star operator or asterisk. Okay, right. So data type space pointer operator variable name, or data type star or asterisk, data type asterisk space variable name. Okay, you can use any one of these two syntax. Okay, here I am following first syntax. Int data type int pointer operator p, int or float, any data type you can take. Okay, float pointer operator q. Okay, so when we declare pointer variables like this, C compiler allocates 2 bytes memory. C compiler allocates 2 bytes memory for pointer variable of any type. Okay, so we have to remember. So when we declare pointer variables like this, C compiler allocates 2 bytes memory for pointer variables of any type. Okay, so clear. So this is about declaring a pointer variable, right? Right. Next, we'll see one program. Program to demonstrate pointer variable. Program to demonstrate pointer variable. Right. So header files, first link section. link section contains header files. Here I am including two header files, stdio standard input output header file and conio header file, console input output header file. Because of in this program I am going to use printf, scanf, okay, and CLR SCR functions. So whenever you are using printf, scanf functions in your program, so you should include stdio header file. Whenever you are using CLR SCR getCH functions in your program, you should include conio header file. Because of these functions are available. Printf, scanf functions are available in stdio header file. Scanf functions are available. CLR SCR and getCH functions are available in conio header file. Clear? Printf, scanf. These two functions, okay, these functions are available in stdio header file. CLR SCR, getCH. These functions are available in conio header file. Console input output header file. Standard input output header file. Okay. Next link section. After link section, here I am writing main function section. Main opening brace. Okay. So we can write void main also. Void main. So void is the return type. It should not return any value from. Okay. So here I am declaring one variable x and I am assigning one value to x variable. Okay. And after declaring x variable, here I am declaring one pointer variable p. Okay. So in this program I declared two variables. One is x and the other one is p. So x is a normal variable or ordinary variable. P is a pointer variable. Okay. Right. Then here I am assigning address of x to pointer variable p. Okay. Here we are assigning. So what we are doing here? We are assigning address of x to pointer variable p. Pointer variable p. Okay, so clear? Right. So already you know, okay, what is pointer? Pointer is a variable. Pointer is a variable that holds address of variable of similar type. Okay, so both variables are of same type only. Right. So here what happens? So p is the pointer variable. So p variable contains what? Address of x. Address of x is here. Address of x is 3000. Right. So here now p is pointing to this address. Okay. Right. Next I want to print the value which is stored in I want to print the value which is stored in this side. Okay. 3000 address. Okay. Printf %d comma p. For suppose if I write like this, okay, so what is the output here? P means so p variable, pointer variable contains what here? Address of x variable. So what is the address of x? 3000. So here if you execute this program, the result is 3000 because of this printf statement prints a pointer variable p. Okay, so p variable holds the address of x variable. So address of x is 3000. So the result is 3000. Here I don't want to print the address, okay, which is stored in pointer variable p. I want to store the value which is stored in that address. Okay. So So here we have to write like this. Okay, so here pointing to an address, pointing to an address gives value at that address. Okay, so star P means what here? Pointing to address. We are pointing, okay, we are pointing to address. Pointing to address gives what? Gives value at that address. Okay, so clear? Pointing to an address gives value at that address. Pointing to an address gives value at that address. Okay, so P means it prints address. Star P asterisk P means it prints the value which is stored at that address. Okay, so clear? Pointing to an address gives value at the address. Okay, pointing to an address gives value. Okay, pointing to an address gives value at that address. So value means here 10. So clear? So this is program to demonstrate pointer variable. So in this example, P is a pointer variable that holds address of X variable. Here pointing to an address gives value at that address. But suppose if you are writing like this, printf percentage d backslash n comma printf percentage d comma p. So here now this statement prints what? Only address 3000. So P means it prints address, star P means it prints value at that address. So remember, okay? Right. So instead of P here, if you write ampersand x, it is also printing same. Okay? Ampersand x means address of x 3000. Okay? Ampersand x or P. So both are printing same value. Okay? So here this is about program to demonstrate pointer variable. Right. So thank you. In the next session we will see about pointer arithmetic. Okay.